Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. I thought I'd film on the sofa today. I feel like we know each other well enough now where I can just, you know, chill on the sofa whilst I chat to you. So in today's video I am sharing with you May's Glossybox. I am such a huge fan of Glossybox and you may know that I have been working with them for a little while now. This is the Let the Sun Shine box, so you can imagine the sort of theme of this box is summer, which I'm really hoping that we see some signs of soon. We had that little bit of nice weather and now it's all just disappeared, hasn't it? Although it's sunny at the minute, but fingers crossed we get some warm weather soon. If you don't know about Glossybox, it is a monthly subscription box full of beauty products and skincare products, sometimes makeup brushes and perfumes, loads of different things. The value is always worth over £50. I have a discount code below that will get you your first box for £11, including postage and all of that. So definitely go and check that out if you are interested in treating yourself to some beauty bargains. Sometimes the boxes can be worth like £95 plus, like some boxes. I mean, I would definitely say, like, I know there's a bit of a thing with Glossybox. Obviously some boxes are better than others, but it just depends what sort of products you like as well. This box is worth over £50, so I will get straight into the video and show you everything in this month's box. So as always, there is at least 5 products in the box. I think there is a fair few full-size ones in this one. Let's have a look at the little leaflet. This always tells you a little bit about each product. It also tells you one of the products that will be in next month's box, so June's, a little sneak peek, and it is a Nip and Fab, which is a very good brand, vitamin C scrub. That's going to be really good as well if you are a fake tan fan and you want to exfoliate before putting on your tan. That is going to be in June's box. What is one of the products? So in this one, yes, we have 1, 2, 3. We have got 4 full-size products and 1 mini. So I'm going to start with Mine Tan Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel. That's not something I ever really use after sun, but this says save your skin from sunburn this summer with the Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel for faster, more effective relief that revitalizes skin. This also helps to reduce the appearance of sun damage and fine lines, so that sounds pretty cool. It is worth £13.35 and a full-size bottle is actually worth £28.60. It's not a company I've ever heard of before, this Mine, but a moisturising after sun gel. My skin gets really dry anyway, so I think that is going to be a great one. Great for putting in your handbag as well. Sometimes I like getting the mini sizes because they are just like good travel size products. So if you do forget to put your sun cream on, getting yourself a little bit of after sun on is definitely going to help. There is nothing worse than getting bad sunburn. Definitely something I'm more careful with the older I get than I ever did when I was younger, when I used to just go on a sunbed like every day, sometimes twice a day. I am ashamed to say. Definitely have a much more careful approach to how I look after my skin now, but yeah. This is good for obviously if you do catch yourself in the sun, just to relieve a little bit that horrible sunburn pain. Next up we have this. This is a Ciate, I always probably say these names wrong, Ciate London. I've never heard of them before. This is one thing I love about Glossybox actually, is because you end up trying brands that you might not have ever tried before. I'm quite stuck in my ways with makeup and skincare. I go for the same things. I'm not very knowledgeable in, like, some people just know all the new products and know all the great things for your skin, and I definitely was better when I was younger at knowing things, but now I'm a mum and everything, I just don't keep up with like the latest makeups and skincare and things. So it's really good for me anyway, because I get to try things that I would never even look at or think to try. So this is a definer liner and it has an inbuilt sharpener, which I just can't even understand, but it is smudge proof. And it is in this sort of gold colour, so it is supposed to be very good at brightening your eyes up if you just like put some of it on the corner of your eyes. It's got one of those really awful plastic layers on it that I'll never get off. How has it got an inbuilt sharpener? We're in the level of concentration. So I think the sharpener, it must be, I might be wrong, but I think it's like in there, so it just keeps it sharp. This might be like something that everybody's like, yeah, that's not a new thing, but I've never seen that before. The colour of this is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know whether it'll show up on camera, properly, but that is definitely a bit of me. To just have some in the corners of your eyes for a really nice dewy golden look, especially in the summer with a nice suntan. I love that. I'm really looking forward to using that. This has a recommended retail price of £18 as well. So the next product we have is this Rhodial Dragon's Blood eye mask. Love an eye mask, really great for just depuffing the skin under the eye. It is a recommended retail price of £6, and yeah, Dragon's Blood one. And it says that your eyes will look instantly brighter and more alert, which is definitely something that I need at the moment. Not getting much sleep over here, so I think I'm going to sit with this on later on tonight once the kids are in bed and just have a little pamper night. This next product really intrigues me actually. This is just like perfect things for if you are going out, getting out in the beer gardens, you want to look sun-kissed and golden goddess like. This is, what's it called, Ciate London. This is a powder foil and it is in the shade Golden Hour. Just look how amazing this is. It is so pigmented. It's like a soft gel and it is totally buildable. I love it. So you could have like a really glamorous, gorgeous look with that. I love a dramatic eye and I love the thought of putting this on and having like winged eyeliner, big lashes for a full glam look. And I just, yeah, I am excited to wear it. Even if I just wear it subtly, just day to day, putting a little bit on I think would look really nice as well. And this has a recommended retail price of £6.95. And then the last product to show you is this Cushy, I think I'm saying that right, probably not, shower gel. It is lemon scented. Again, I mean obviously they are tailoring this for summertime and this is definitely fitting with that theme. So it says this natural shower gel cleanses and protects the skin throughout the whole day. With revitalizing lemon and chamomile extract, it carefully cleans the skin whilst respecting your skin's natural pH and leaving behind a refreshing scent. This has a recommended retail price of £5.70. I am excited to see how it smells because lemon is just a gorgeous scent, especially for summer. It smells really nice. God, I could eat that. It smells like a lemon tart or something. That smells gorgeous. So that is the last product in the box. So all worth over £50. You could get it all for £11. So I think if you want to try new products or you want to just treat yourself occasionally, that's why I like having Glossybox. I've had it for over a year now and I just love to get a little box of treats just for me at the beginning of the month, have a little pamper. I wouldn't tend to go out and buy like eye masks and things for myself, so it's nice to get them in the glossy boxes because then I have no excuses then not to have a little bit of self-care time. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this month's box. Perfect for summer. Love the makeup, definitely can't wait to try that out. I will leave all the details below if you want to have a little look at Glossybox, read into more detail about what it's all about. And if you want to use my discount code as well, then that is HarleyW. Get your box for £11 and yeah, treat yourself to a little something. I really hope that you enjoyed seeing what was in this month's box, and I would love it if you hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I would love to see you again for my next video. Bye everyone!